Ever wondered how to hang a TV by yourself? Perhaps the thought of drilling holes into your beautiful wall makes you cringe. Or maybe the idea of dealing with a maze of cords and cables leaves you feeling overwhelmed. Fear not, because today we're diving into the surprisingly simple world of TV installation. The first step is to choose the right wall mount. There are several types to choose from, such as fixed mounts, tilting mounts, and full motion mounts. Each has its advantages and disadvantages, so consider your viewing needs before making a decision. Once you've decided on a mount, the next task is to find the perfect spot on your wall. A common rule of thumb suggests positioning the center of the TV at eye level when seated. However, personal preference plays a significant role here, so feel free to adjust as necessary. With the ideal spot marked, it's time to locate the wall studs. This is crucial because the weight of the TV needs substantial support. A stud finder tool will be your best friend in this endeavor. And remember, it's always better to double check than to drill unnecessary holes. Now that you've marked the stud locations, you're ready to attach the mounting bracket to the wall. Align the holes in the bracket with the stud locations and secure it using the screws provided with the mount. Ensure it's level by using a spirit level. Next up is attaching the mounting arms to the back of your TV. These arms should line up with the screw holes on the back of your TV. Once aligned, secure them with the provided screws. The moment of truth has arrived. It's time to mount your TV. Lift it carefully, align the mounting arms with the bracket on the wall, and gently slide the TV into place. You should hear a click sound that signifies a secure attachment. Finally, manage those pesky cables. Use cable ties or clips to bundle them together and guide them along the wall or inside a cable management raceway. This will not only give your installation a clean, professional look, but also prevent any accidental trips or pulls. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to hanging your TV all by yourself. To recap, choose the right mount, find the perfect spot, locate the wall studs, attach the bracket to the wall, secure the mounting arms to the TV, mount the TV on the wall, and manage the cables. With a bit of patience and precision, you can create a sleek, functional viewing area that adds a touch of modern elegance to your space. So why not give it a try? After all, there's a unique satisfaction that comes from a successful DIY project.